Hello, my dear friends. How are you all? Hope you all are good and taking good care of yourself. So, today we are going to see the lesson number 2 EVS My Wonderful Body. Okay, in the earlier session, we have learned all the names of the body parts. We have learned the spellings of the body parts. So, today, on the basis of this, we are going to do some activity. Okay, so let's start. We will quickly recap what we have learnt. Eyes, nose, chin, neck, chest, arm, wrist, palm, knee, foot, heel, ankle, leg, thigh, finger, thumb, stomach, shoulder, tongue, cheek, ear, hair. Okay? Okay. So count and write the number of body parts you have. Okay, so they have given us the name of the body parts, and you have to count the body parts and you have to write the numbers over here. Okay, for example, head. So how many head do you have? Of course, one. Okay, so you will write one over here. Okay, you have to take your 4-line notebook or single line notebook, and you have to write this question and you have to write the spellings. Okay, and in front of that you have to make a box and you have to write the numbers in them. Okay, eye. How many eyes? It should be eyes, not eye. How many eyes do you have? Two, right? So you will write two. Fingers. So how many fingers do you have? Fingers of your hand. So how many fingers do you have? 10, right? So you will write 10. Wrist. How many wrist do you have? Two wrist, right? One of your right hand and one of your left hand. Ankle. How many ankles do you have? Yes, two. Tongue. How many tongue do you have? One. Cheeks. How many cheeks do you have? Two. How many chin do you have? One. How many knees do you have? Two. How many heels do you have? Two. Okay, so here it should be cheeks, here it should be knees, and here it should be heels. Okay, so the next question. Okay, let's see the functions of that body parts. My body parts and their functions. Our body can do wonderful things. Look at the pictures of the actions of our body parts. Our legs help us to walk, run and jump. आपण आपल्या पायाने काय करतो? चालतो, पळतो आणि उड्या मारतो. Our legs help us to walk, run and jump. Our hands help us to write and hold the things. आपण आपल्या हाताने काय करतो? आपण लिहितो आणि होल्ड करतो. जसं मी आता पेन्सिल हातात पकडली आहे. आय होल्ड द पेन्सिल विथ माय हँड. ओके. आवर माउथ हेल्प अस टू ईट अँड स्पीक. आपण आपल्या तोंडाने काय करतो? जेवतो आणि बोलतो. आवर आईज हेल्प अस टू सी. म्हणजे आपण आपल्या डोळ्यांनी काय करतो? बघतो. ओके, सो दीज आर द फंक्शन्स ऑफ अवर body parts. Now they have given us some riddle. Okay, they have given us some puzzle. Now we have to solve it. Okay, now this is a boy and he is holding a puzzle which has the spellings of all these words. Okay, now they have given us 1 2 3 4 5 questions and we have to answer it. Now they have given us the hint. Hint means what? They have given us the answers in this box, but we have to find those answers. For example, with them I can jump and run. Okay, now with which body part you jump and run? कोणत्या बॉडी पार्टने तुम्ही उड्या मारतात आणि पळतात? Of course, legs. Okay, now they have given us the spelling over here. Now you have to find out. For example, now you have to check. Now where does the L comes? Now here is the L. Now I have to find the spelling from the letter L. Okay, so where will be the spelling? Now here is the spelling L-E-G-S, legs. Now I have to circle it. Okay, now most of the children doesn't have this book. Now what they will do, they will write the question, okay, and they will make a chart, or they will make a small box and they will write out all these spellings same like this. Okay, and you will write these questions, and then you will find out the answer over here, and then you will write it down. For example, now we have find out the word legs over here. Now what you will do, you will write the question number 1, okay, and with them I can jump and run. Write this and then put a line and write the spelling of legs. L-E-G-S, legs. Okay, understood? Now second question. I have 2 of these. They can clap or help me to make clay balls. Now with which body part you can do this? You have to think and you have to write the answers. I'm not going to tell you the answer. You have to think and you have to write it down. Okay, third question. I put my food in this. Now which body part where you put your food and you chew the food and you eat it? Think and write the answer. All the answers are given in this chart. You have to find it out and you have to write it down. Okay, fourth. I wear my tie around it. So where do you wear your tie? Now while going to school you put your tie. So where do you put your tie? Where do you wear your tie? Think and write it down. Okay, fifth question. I wear my cap on it. So where do I wear my cap? So you have to think it and you have to write down the answer. Okay, now there are some questions which we have to note it down in our notebook. Okay, so the first question is match and complete the following sentences. Okay, I wear a watch on my. Where do I wear my watch? I wear my watch on my. Where do I wear my watch? I wear my watch on wrist. I wear a watch on my wrist. Okay. I hold a book with my hand. I carry my bag on my shoulders. I wear my shoes on my. Where do you wear your shoes? On my legs, or you can write foot. I wear my belt on my vest. Okay, understood? Now rearrange the following words to get the names of the body parts. Now this is the question where you can answer it when you have learnt all the names of the body parts. Okay, once you have learnt all the names of the body parts, you can rearrange these jumbled words. Okay, for example, RAE, which is the spelling. They have given the jumbled words. So this is the spelling of EAR. What is EAR? It's ear. Okay, now I'm not going to give you the answers of this. First you will learn the names of the body parts and then you will try to find out what are these jumbled words. Okay, now next, Read, think and answer. Okay. Which body part helps you to chew food? Now which body parts helps you to chew food? Yes, mouth. Now mouth helps me to chew food. Okay. Which body part helps you to read? With the help of, yes, with the help of eyes, I read a book. Which body part helps you to run? With the help of legs, I run. Or you can say with the help of legs, I run on the playground. Okay. So how you will write? With the help of mouth, I chew the food. With the help of eyes, I read a book. With the help of legs, I run on a playground. Okay. Now it's a fun time. Now they have given us one game which we can play with the kids. Okay. The name of the game is Run and Touch. Play a game in a team. Touch the things drawn on the board or are there in the classroom as your teacher says. Now, as the teachers are not available in the classroom, so you can play this game with your parents. Okay. So I hope all the parents will play this game with your kids. You can also play this game with your brothers and sisters. Okay. So what is this game? The children needs to give 5 objects and just tell them to touch those objects with your body parts. For example, touch the red bag with your knee. Touch the apple drawn on the board with your nose. Touch a pencil with your elbow and so on. म्हणजे इथे काय करायचं आहे, कुठल्याही 5 वस्तू द्यायची मुलांना आणि त्यांना सांगायचं की तुमच्या बॉडी पार्ट्सने त्यांना टच करा. फॉर एक्झाम्पल जसं टच द रेड बॅग विथ युअर नी, म्हणजे एखादी लाल बॅग, त्या लाल बॅगला तुमच्या गुडघ्यांनी त्याला टच करायचं. मुलांना सांगायचं गुडघ्यांनी तुमच्या रेड बॅगला टच करा. टच दी ॲपल ड्रॉन ऑन द बोर्ड विथ युअर नोज. आता तुमच्याकडे बोर्ड असेल तर त्याच्यावरती एक ॲपलचं चित्र ड्रॉ करायचं किंवा कुठलंही चित्र ड्रॉ करायचं आणि त्यांना सांगायचं नाकानी त्या चित्राला टच करा. ओके. टच अ पेन्सिल विथ युअर एल्बो, म्हणजे एखादी पेन्सिल द्यायची आणि ती अशा ठिकाणी ठेवायची, त्यांना सांगायचं तुमच्या एल्बोनी त्या पेन्सिलला टच करायचं. असे तुम्ही तुमचे स्वतःचे खेळ तुम्ही तयार करू शकता आणि त्या मुलांना सांगायचं तुमच्या बॉडी पार्टनी त्या वस्तूंना टच करायचं. ओके. याच्याने काय होईल, त्यांना एक मज्जा तर येईलच आणि त्यांना बॉडी पार्ट्स त्यांना आयडेंटिफाय करता येतील. ओके. याच्या व्यतिरिक्त तुम्ही त्यांना क्रॉलिंग फ्रॉम वन रूम टू अनदर रूम किंवा बुक बॅलन्सिंग ॲक्टिव्हिटी और लेमन अँड द स्पून अशा ॲक्टिव्हिटीज पण तुम्ही करू शकतात. ओके. So I hope everything is clear. Okay. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye.